guys, welcome back to Cooking with Naisha. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make my veggie spaghetti. I know, it sounds kind of crazy, but it's actually really bomb. And I'm going to be using, instead of meat, the alternative is going to be the Beyond sausage that I'm going to be putting in it. And I'm going to be using zucchini noodles. So I just wrapped up a video making on how to make the zucchini noodles from home. So yeah, this right here, I didn't buy it at the store. I actually made it from scratch at home, which you guys can go check out my other video for how to make zucchini noodles. But this video, the zucchini noodles are already done, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to make the spaghetti. So this is everything you're gonna need. This is Beyond Meat. I already have it in a package because I had used 2 prior. Mushrooms, onion, green and red pepper. I have these diced tomato things right here. It's mild. Sauce, whichever one you prefer. We got some Creole seasoning, the black pepper, pink salt, the garlic, rosemary, and lemon rub, and some minced garlic. Okay, so all my vegetables and stuff are already washed. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm cutting, I like to be comfortable. So I don't feel like standing and cutting all this stuff up. So I'm gonna sit down. First, I'm gonna start with, oh wow, my mushrooms. I'm just gonna cut these up. So I'm just gonna cut them kind of in like, I don't know, I'll show you the size in a minute. Because I don't want them too big in the pasta. Like, I don't want big chunks of mushrooms. So I like to actually cut them like small. Actually, when you're cooking them, they're going to get a little smaller. So I'll show you guys the size. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Jesus. But, oh. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me cut mushrooms for 5 minutes, so we're gonna speed this up. Okay, so I got my mushrooms cut up. The easiest thing I think is to get kind of like a big, you know, tray or something like that. And you see I got all the mushrooms cut up, and then I cut up the onions and put them in here. I cut up the peppers and put them in here. And, you know, everything is just all in one tray so that when you're ready to saute them, you can just right into the pan, and it's easy. Now, I'm gonna put you guys on real quick, okay? Let me show you this little onion trick that I learned off Instagram, off one of those cooking videos, because, you know, I stay watching those cooking videos. And don't say, oh, I already knew, I knew that. No, you didn't. And if you did, just act like I just taught you this, okay? It's all good. So you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna stab it through and cut down, and stab it through and cut down. See the little slits? And you're gonna do that all the way around the whole onion. So after you made slits all the way around the onion, guess what you're gonna do? Yep, you're right. You're gonna turn it sideways, and you're gonna start cutting, start cutting down. I can't believe I've been cutting onions wrong almost my whole life. But I just learned this a couple months ago. And look, it's diced. Like, boom. Boom. I'm telling you, it's literally, this is a game changer. If you don't cut onions like this, Okay, that's what I get for talking. Look at this. It's diced up already. I know. Thank me later. For those of you that are watching, and I knew that. No, you didn't. Just give me the credit. You know, when you're cooking next time, just be like, oh my God, I learned this new trick from Naisha, and I'm gonna try it out today. Cause you didn't know. You didn't. Okay, you think that's enough onions? I love onions. Well, onions give food so much flavor. So put them in a tray. I didn't even use a full onion. It burns. Okay. Today I'm only going to be using 2 sausages. So these are the Beyond sausages. It's not real meat. For those of you who don't know, this is vegan meat. And you're pretty much just going to be slicing it straight, like down the middle. You guys see? Okay. Honestly, you can cut them like how big you want them. I like to cut mine. I slice them and then I kind of cut. So I slice them like this and then I cut it in half. After you dice everything, it should look like this. So you have your mushrooms, your onions, green peppers, red peppers, and your Beyond sausage. So if you fast forward the video a little bit, by now you will have your veggies diced up and your Beyond meat cut up. So after you do that, pretty much we're gonna saute it. I'm gonna use avocado oil. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of avocado oil on the pan, and I'm gonna start with my Beyond meat first. I'm gonna put my Beyond meat, and then once it starts kind of like cooking a little bit, then I'm just gonna add all the veggies in and saute it all together. Then I'm gonna add my seasonings in, and we'll go from there. Avocado oil, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my Beyond meat first. I like to put each piece kind of flat down so it gets like a little bit of a crisp, not a crisp, but kind of like, I don't know, you know, like when you cook sausages, like you like it to, can't think of the word I'm looking for. So I'm gonna show you guys a close-up in a minute. So yeah, once they get like a little bit more cooked, I've been sauteing them for about, I don't know, like 3 minutes or something like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add all the veggies in. Gonna add a little bit more of avocado oil. You're gonna take this can and you're gonna drain it out and add it to everything. Now it depends on how much you want to put. It's up to you. I usually put like a half a can or the whole can depending on how much I make. But like I said, it's up to you. It has like tomatoes and chiles and stuff like that in there, so it gives it like a little kick too. The one that I got is mild. They have one that's hot, but I mean, you don't want your spaghetti too hot anyways. Spicy. This one is like perfect. So I put like a little more than half the can. Grab a big lid to cover this because you're about to add the sauce in. Now again, you can use whatever sauce that you like. For me, I don't have time to make homemade sauce, but I'm actually gonna do it and I'll make a video on it one day. But for now, this is, of course, like I said, the fast and easy way to do things. I like Prego, the roasted garlic and herbs. This is like really good. And I usually mix it with the tomato, basil, garlic one. So I take these two and I mix them both together. Oh, excuse me. So just pour that on top of everything. And oh, I'm telling you guys, like, so clumsy. I just can't help myself. Pour this one on top too. I'm gonna like mix it all around. One thing that I forgot to get is oregano. I use oregano for everything, and I was in the market and I forgot to get oregano, but I usually put oregano in here as well. Now we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit, and then you're gonna add some more seasonings and stuff to taste. Let this cook for a little bit. Everything in here should be already done. The vegetables, the Beyond Meat, already done. The tomatoes and stuff, that gets pretty like cooked fast with the sauce when it's all cooking together. But yeah, everything is already pretty much done. So you're just gonna let it kind of like let the sauce simmer and absorb all the veggies and the flavors and all of that. And then you know, let it simmer for a little bit and then taste it, see how it tastes. Then you can add different, you know, seasonings into it as well. You know, all according to how you like it. So let's let this cook for a little bit, and after a couple minutes you can remove the lid and just kind of stir it around. This smells amazing, by the way. Just give it a good stir. And then you're gonna want to taste it so you can see if you need to add anything or blase. And keep it on like medium low-ish the whole time, because you don't want to put it on high and be popping everywhere. It's good. I'm actually not gonna add anything else, but you can if you want to. You can add some more pepper, some more garlic, you know, whatever your heart desires. I think that it's good the way it is, so I'm not gonna add anything else. Now that it is done, we're gonna take our noodles, whatever ones you have. If you have zucchini pasta noodles or the regular noodles, whichever ones that you prefer. We're gonna take the sauce and we're gonna put the sauce right on top. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video and we're all done. And this is how you make veggie pasta. And you know, I added a garlic knot. You know, gotta have a little bread in there somewhere. All this healthiness, I needed a little bang in my life. But yeah, no, I appreciate you guys watching. And let me know what else you want to see. You know, this is it. It's all done. Let me stop before the garlic knot slides off of my plate. It's like on my video. Ooh. I'm so clumsy, guys. Like I said, it's really easy. Just dicing up a bunch of vegetables. But if you're not using the zucchini noodles, then cut up zucchini as well and put it in there, because like I said, I just started using the zucchini noodles. But prior to that, when I was using the regular spaghetti pasta, I was adding zucchini, dicing up zucchini, adding it in as well with the rest of the vegetables. So like I said, it's up to you. But if you want to go healthy, then I would recommend using the zucchini pastas. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, because I'll be dropping more videos. Actually, I want you guys to leave me some comments below and let me know what else you want me to cook. I know how to cook a lot of things, but it's been kind of hard because I've been trying to stay away from meat, so I haven't really been cooking a lot of things that I usually cook because of that. But I want to start cooking again the way I used to. So just drop some comments below and let me know, what do you want to see? What do you want me to cook? And all that. So yeah. Sorry, one more thing. Make sure you check out my other video that I have on here on how to make zucchini pasta. How to make the actual zucchini pasta. Like I said, I didn't buy it at the store this time. I actually made it from scratch at home using this spiralizer that I got off Amazon. And to me, like I said, I think it's wonderful. It's better than buying a pack of zucchini, because you get way more if you just, and it's way cheaper. But yeah, so make sure you check out my video on how to make zucchini pasta from scratch. Thank you guys for watching.